Hello everyone, welcome to question number 12 of my school mathematics examination for year 10. It says simplify sine square x over 1 plus cos x plus sine square x over 1 minus cos x. So these two, they're adding up, right? So we just need to look for the LCM. So the LCM of these two will be 1 plus cos x multiplied by 1 minus cos x, right? So this divide is, I'll be left with 1 minus cos x multiplied by this. So this will give me sine square x multiplied by 1 minus cos x, right? This divide is, I'll be left with this remaining that. So that will be plus sine square x multiplied by 1 plus cos x, right? So moving further now, these two, something is common. The common factor is sine square x, right? So this will give me sine square x would now go into 1 minus cos, that will go into 1 minus cos x plus 1 plus cos x, right? And if you notice these two, these are difference of two square. Remember, we will have that a squared minus b squared to give us a plus b multiplied by a minus b. So if you observe this, they are similar, a plus b multiplied by a minus b. So this will give us a squared minus b squared. So I'll be left with 1 minus cos square x, right? So adding this now, this will give me sine square x multiplied by, collecting like 10, 1 plus 1 will give me 2 minus cos s plus cos s will cancel that, right? So I'm having 2 all over 1 minus cos square x. So this will give me, this times this will give me 2 sine square x over, remember, if you recall, we have that sine square x plus cos square x is equals to 1. If I make sine square x the subject of the formula, I'll be having 1 minus cos square x, right? So I can replace everything here with sine square x. So if I replace everything here with sine square x, this will cancel this out. So my answer is 2. So that is the solution to this particular problem. Let's go over to question number 13.